So I just stumbled on my list of things you should have on your website, and then we already talked about on your channel, and we talked about channel optimization. I discussed 3 points. I said the first one is setup and branding. Second one is I can't remember. Third one is thumbnail. Second one is optimization of your videos and all of that. So now there's one thing that is very important you have on your channel, which is auto subscribe link. Now if you come to your panel, as you can see here, if you come to this menu part, if you click on this, you'll see customization. So I've clicked on this. One of all these three links will show us customization. So now that I've come here, I'll click on this. No, yeah. So you now on the dashboard you see customization. So if you click on customization, under customization, let me see if I can zoom it in. So you can see my logo is showing. You can see the banner is showing. Then if you come down here, you can see some of these things. Number one you can see here is channel URL, which is what you are seeing. This channel URL, you copy it. So once you copy it, then if you come here, I've already created my own, but I'll show you how to do it. You see the first one here is subscribe for more juice, which is YouTube blah 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 blah. You see this thing you are seeing here is what we call the auto subscribe link. It's different from, you can see that it has at the end, it has sub at the end. You see sub underscore configuration or whatever. So that thing there, it has been added to this link that we are seeing. You see this link ends in ZQG. If you come here now, you see it here, ZQG. You see ZQG. After that ZQG is the question mark, then sub. So but that sub config, you cannot do it by yourself. So what you now do is because this link has a way it works. Now let me show you where the link works. Assuming you just come to my website on your own for the first time. So let me go to a site where I'm not logged in. Let's come to okay, let's use this Phoenix. I'm not logged in on Phoenix. So if I come to maybe okay, Kojex, and I come here, you see that when they go to my info, they'll just see subscribe. Sometimes you can send them the direct link, and if they click on that direct link, and what they'll just see in front of them is subscribe. They have no other choice than to subscribe because it is staring right in their face. So let me show you. If someone you see now, you see it here now, you see it's showing subscribe. So if the person now clicks on, anyway, this will even still show. I don't know if you've not done it, so that this will show. I can't release, I can't remember, but you see it's showing here now. So I don't know. So when I click on this and 3 more links, it will now show me everything about the about this stuff. You see, so you see description, and then after the description, the first thing you see there is the first one, subscribe for more juice. So this subscribe for more juice, sometimes I send people the link alone as broadcast. Once you send it, plus Uzodike, listen to this. If you send this link to people as broadcast and they see it, if they click on it, it shows them subscribe. So it's like you are compelling them to be like, the first thing they see on your link is on your site is to subscribe. So I'll show you, I'll prove that to yours now. So let me show you how to create it first before I come back here and copy the link. So when you come here now, you copy the original one that you have, which is this channel URL. Once you copy your channel URL, you will now come to this place and search for auto subscribe. Time is really going. Auto subscribe. Subscribe YouTube link generator. Auto subscribe YouTube link generator. You see, there are different. Some of them will ask you to pay, but I think this first one, Social Media Plaza, I think is the one I used. So when you click on it, it's even showing free. So you click on it. Once you click on it, now it will ask you to put the one you copy, your URL. So you come and paste your URL here. Remember, it's the URL that has all this jaga code, not just the one that is YouTube/Kojesianzu, the one that has all this jaga. Remember that Kojesianzu is just it's not the direct thing. So I press generate. Now once I press generate, see, it has generated the code here for me. So this code is what I will now copy. When I finish copying it, I'll come here. So for those of you who have not done it before, under your stuff, you come here and paste it here. Let's create another one. As when you click on create link, when you click on create link, you first of all, because the link is already in your hand, so you can say let me just be crazy. Join us. Oh, for instance, or you can say subscribe for more, which is the normal thing. You can say sub for more, subscribe for more it done. Let me just use rubbish, but I don't use subscribe for more. So this link here, I'll come and paste it here now. I'll paste this link here now. So you see now, it now has the confirmation, subscribe confirmation. So once I'm through, you remember to always save. So save now, publish. So it's published, it's showing. When we finish publishing now, now let's copy that same link that is there. Now if they come to your home page, if for instance now let me share the link with somebody, and as soon as I share the link with somebody on WhatsApp, now just watch what the person will see. It's different from when you share your normal channel URL. Okay, let me come and open it here. So if I come to this place now and I want to use phones, but if I use my I wanted to send it to my WhatsApp and I click on it as a link on my WhatsApp, but it will open by default on my YouTube app, and my YouTube app is already logged on. It's already logged on. So I'm already logged on there, so you won't see what I'm trying to explain. So let's use a place where it does not exist. So I'll come here now, and then let's type address, web address, as we sent the link to somebody direct. And if I want to send you the link, I can send you the link. If you click on it, it will take you straight to subscription. So now that I'm there, I'll press this. You see that the first thing that will meet the person in the eyes is that auto subscribe, and that thing is ready to collect the information, and then boom. Okay, you see it now. So it's showing the person this particular page of your website, which is the subscribe part. But if you do not use this method, then you just use the normal Kojex yarns, it won't bring you to this auto subscribe link. So this auto subscribe link is very good because it will show as part of your info. See, after my description now, it is showing there. You see my Twitter, my blah blah blah. So this auto subscribe link is very important to use. Thank you.